Hi everyone, this is Paul and you're watching Billy's Educated Law. In this video session, I would like to discuss the topic of fractional knapsack problem, which was developed by using the greedy approach. So before going to the video, please subscribe my channel and like the video and share the content which is present in my channel, and comment below if you have any doubts or the ideas regarding the topic. Now let us go to the topic of fractional knapsack problem. So in the introduction part, in a fractional knapsack problem, we can break items for maximizing the total value of a knapsack. So what is a knapsack? A knapsack is a form of a bag. So in that bag, we have to put some contents. So when we are putting some contents, that content value shouldn't exceed than the size of the knapsack. Okay. So in the fractional knapsack, we can break the items for maximizing the total value of the knapsack. So here there is a bag and there are some elements which are break into some parts. So in order to put these elements into the bags, they are divided into different halves with different profits. So we will put the element into the bag which has the more profit and which will be equipped into the bag with some size that doesn't exceed the size of the bag. Coming to the next point. So in this problem in which we can break an item is called the fractional knapsack problem. So in order to put that element into the bag, we are dividing that element into different halves. So by dividing these elements, we are putting it in the bag. So this type of dividing and putting the element into the knapsack is known as the fractional knapsack problem. I think so you understood it. And the time complexity of this knapsack problem is order of n log n. So now let us discuss an example. Here a thief enters a store and sees the following items: gold of 2 kgs worth of 1,20,000, and gold of 2 kgs which is worth of 1,30,000, and gold of 4 kgs which is worth of 1,40,000. So here the thief has a knapsack which holds 6 kg of the items. So how much the thief has to steal the items to get the maximized profit? Let us calculate how the thief can maximize his profit. Thief can take a fraction of an item. So in this, as this is a fractional knapsack problem, so he can use a fraction of any item, and first step is to calculate the profit. Profit is equals to cost by weight. Okay. So the cost is 1,20,000 by the weight is 2 kgs. So here I created the profit. So profit for 1,20,000 by 2, that gives 60,000 of profit, while the second one gives 65,000 of profit, while the third one gives only 35,000 of profit. Thief selects the 2 kgs bag which is having the profit of 65,000 first. After that he will select the 60,000 gold. After that, at last he will select the 35,000 gold worth. So in the step 2, we rearrange the items based on their profits. So in step 2 we have to rearrange them. So based on the profit we rearrange the gold. So first 1,30,000, after that 1,20,000, after that 1,40,000. In step 3, stealing the gold until it doesn't exceed 6 kg with the maximum profit. So now the thief will steal the item. First he will steal the 2 kgs of gold. After that he steals the 2 kg of gold. After that he steals 4 kg of gold. But this 4 kg of gold is not sufficient in this bag because order 4 kg is equipped. There is only 2 kg remaining. So in this he will select only 2 kg of the gold from this 4 kg. So he select 2 kgs which is worth of 70,000. So total profit he gained is 3,20,000, and the weight of the bag is 6 kg and the weight of the gold he stole is 2 kg. I think so you understood it. So the whole bag of the thief is completely filled with 6 kg of the gold. Because this 4 kg is divided into 2 halves, so one half is used and stolen and put in his bag. Now let us discuss the algorithm. So the algorithm for the knapsack is, so here I took an array of A. This A represents the cost, and I took an array W which represents the weight, and I took an integer capital W which shows the weight of the thief knapsack. Okay, first I will select the profit for I equals to 1 to size A, so up to the size array size of A. So I will calculate the profit. After calculating the profit, I will put it in the descending order. After put it in the descending order, I have to select which has to be put in the bag. So while we are selecting, we have to select which is the minimum. So minimum weight of capital W comma small w comma I. So this small w of I shows that weight of the item that you are going to take, and capital W shows the weight of the knapsack. So this weight shouldn't exceed this one, so we are taking the minimum among these two. So after taking, if this was a perfect match to the knapsack, we will select this one. After selecting, that value will be decremented. After decrementing, we will increment by 1 for the next item. I think so you understood it. So in this way the knapsack problem works. I think so you understood it. If you have any doubts regarding the topic, comment below, and do subscribe, share and like the video. Thank you everyone.